Most people just want their computer to talk back without needing a degree in software engineering to make it happen. You find a cool project online, you want to try it out, and then you see a massive wall of text about configuration files. This is exactly where the great divide in the world of local intelligence begins. You have two main paths when you decide to run these powerful systems on your own desk. One path feels like a sleek smartphone app. You tap a button, and things just work. This is the world of Ollama. It is designed for speed and pure simplicity. You download it, you run a single line of text, and suddenly you are chatting with a sophisticated mind living right there on your hard drive. It handles the heavy lifting behind the scenes. It manages your memory. It talks to your graphics card. It ensures you never have to think about the messy technical plumbing. This is the ultimate choice for someone building a new app or anyone who just wants to see results immediately. But there's a different group of people who absolutely hate being kept away from the knobs and dials. They want to open the hood while the engine is running. They want to see the sparks. These users choose llama.cpp. It serves as the raw engine under the hood. It is not a polished experience, but it is incredibly powerful. This tool gives you total authority over every tiny detail of how the system runs. You can decide exactly how much of your hardware is dedicated to the task. You can tweak the mathematical compression to fit a massive model into a tiny amount of space. It is lean. It is fast. It expects you to know what you are doing. You are not just a user here, you are a mechanic. You can squeeze every last drop of performance out of an old laptop if you are willing to spend an hour adjusting the settings. It is the classic trade-off between convenience and total control. Most beginners start with the easy path because it gets you from 0 to 60 in seconds. It is a fantastic way to learn the ropes. But as you get deeper into the hobby, you might start feeling limited. You might want to try a brand new experimental system that was released just an hour ago. You might find that the easy tool is using too much memory for a specific task. That is the moment you step into the world of the raw engine. It is not about one being superior to the other. It is about what you value in the moment. One tool is a finished car that gets you to work. The other is a high-performance engine block sitting on a garage floor waiting for you to build a race car around it. Running these systems locally means your data stays with you. It never leaves your house. It never touches a cloud server owned by a billion-dollar corporation. That level of privacy used to be a dream for tech enthusiasts. Now it is a reality that sits right next to your keyboard. You can ask the most sensitive questions or feed it your private notes without any fear. This independence is what drives the development of these tools. The first tool makes that privacy accessible to everyone. You do not need to be a hacker to protect your data. You just need to click a link. The second tool makes that privacy efficient. It ensures that even if you do not have the latest, most expensive hardware, you can still participate in this revolution. You can take an old workstation and turn it into a dedicated brain. This is about more than just software. It is about taking back control of our digital lives. Every time you run a model on your own hardware, you are making a statement about ownership and autonomy. We are moving away from a world where we have to ask permission to use intelligence. We are entering a world where we own it. Whether you want the easy button or the complex dashboard, the power is finally in your hands. This shift toward local control is changing how we interact with technology every single day. You no longer need a giant company to give you access to these tools. You just need the right piece of software and a bit of curiosity. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the ceiling for what you can achieve has never been higher.